What is bonsai at Brooklyn Botanic Garden? Imagine walking through a lush garden and discovering tiny trees that look like miniature versions of full-sized ones. That's what bonsai is all about. At Brooklyn Botanic Garden, bonsai is a special art form that has been part of the collection since the 1920s. The garden's bonsai collection is one of the oldest and largest outside Japan, with around 400 trees. It started in 1925 when a landscape designer named Ernest F. Coe donated the first bonsai trees. Over the years, the collection grew into a significant cultural and botanical display. The bonsai trees are shown both inside and outside the garden. Inside, you can see them in the CV Star Bonsai Museum, which is specially built to showcase these tiny trees. Outside, there are displays on Magnolia Plaza and other outdoor spots. The collection includes many types of trees, like pines, maples, ficus, sarissa, natal plum, and citrus trees. This variety helps the garden adapt bonsai to New York City's climate, where some trees need special care. Bonsai at Brooklyn Botanic Garden is more than just looking at pretty trees. The garden offers classes and workshops to teach people how to grow and care for bonsai. These classes are open to beginners and experienced growers alike. The garden's early curators, like Frank Okamura, helped make bonsai popular in America. They also earned recognition from Japan for their work. The garden also hosts special tours and exhibitions that explain the history and techniques of bonsai. Signage around the displays helps visitors understand how these tiny trees are shaped and cared for. The collection is a living museum that shows how art and nature come together. For residents and visitors, the Brooklyn Botanic Garden's bonsai collection is a chance to see a unique form of horticulture. It combines artistry, patience, and nature in a peaceful outdoor setting. The collection also supports New York State's reputation for botanical research and cultural exchange. Whether you're interested in learning how to grow bonsai or just want to enjoy the beauty of these miniature trees, the garden's collection offers a special experience in the heart of New York City.